is the study of interactions between organisms and the environment. Biotic and abiotic are the two important factors that build ecosystems. Biotic factors refer to all living things in the ecosystem, and abiotic factors refer to all non-living components. The example for abiotic are temperature, sunlight, water, and nutrition. Many characteristics of soil limited the distribution of plants and thus the animals that feed upon them. Soil structure results from the long-term interaction of climate, organisms, and topography, parent mineral material. Many people thought soil looked similar, but they only thought the surface. Soil have different color layers when you dig deeper. The activity of the soil organisms strongly influence the rate of carbon and nutrient cycling, soil respiration, and the transfer of nutrients to vascular plants. And there is another word, underground. The organisms at the base of the food chain are photosynthetic. We call them producer, and they get their energy directly from the sunlight. Those organisms who eat the producers are primary consumers. They are always in the small size with high quality and high quantity. The primary consumers are vegetarian, which means they don't eat meat. And the secondary consumer do eat meat and feed on the primary consumers. They tend to be larger than the primary consumers. Next, all the way up to the top of the food chain, there will be some energy lost when an organism was eaten. That's why we like to call the trophic level a pyramid. It is wider at the base and narrow at the top. Next, I'm going to talk about the keystone species. It can be either a predator or prey. It could be any organism, and also plants, animals, bacteria, and fungi. Maybe they are not the most biggest organism in the ecosystem, but they are the most important. Like wolf is a keystone species. They are able to limit the population and the range of the prey. They are at the top of the food chain, and they can impact other species farther down the food chain. If you lost a keystone predator, the population of prey will increase dramatically, like explode. The resources are limited. When the population of rabbits increase, the grass or other producer will not be enough. Finally, the whole food chain will be affected. This effect is known as a trophic cascade. Finally, I'm going to talk about the 2I seeing. In recent years, a series of problems such as overexploitation, deforestation, environmental pollution, and forest urbanization are all caused by human beings. And this was not dominated by humans. Humans cannot impose their views on other creatures. And 2I seeing are able to help us better understand the moral sensibility and environmental ethics. This method has both the advantage of make one and the Western knowledge. We do not make a comparison. No one can say which way is better, just like nature maintains the original balance.